There's an old proverb that says, "The axe forgets, but the tree remembers." But what most people never ask is this: how does the tree keep standing long enough to remember anything at all? Today I want to tell you a story about confidence. Not the loud kind, not the fake kind, but the deep-rooted kind that storms, seasons, and even axes cannot destroy. Because sometimes life doesn't just challenge you, it swings at you. Once upon a time, an oak tree lived in a forest where many younger trees admired it. It stood tall, strong, unshaken. Its roots reached deeper into the earth than any of them. But one day, an axe arrived. It wasn't much at first. Small, shiny, almost harmless looking. The forest animals even laughed. "How can that tiny thing hurt you?" they asked the oak. But the oak knew better. He had seen even small threats turn into bigger problems. The axe came closer and whispered, "I'm not here to cut you down. I'm just here to make you better." But every whisper came with a swing, and every swing came with pain. Still, the oak stood, not because it didn't hurt, not because it was invincible, but because its strength came from where it was rooted, not from what it could avoid. Weeks passed, storms came, the axe kept swinging, other trees fell, but the oak remained, repeating one truth to itself: I do not need life to go easy for me. I just need roots deep enough to hold me. And one day, the axe broke. Not because the oak fought back, not because it was loud, but because the oak endured longer than the axe could swing. There are axes in your life right now. Criticism, comparison, opinions, doubt, delay, disappointment. Some don't look dangerous at first. Some even pretend to help. But I want you to remember this. You are not defined by what hits you. You are defined by what holds you. Real confidence doesn't come from evidence. It comes from alignment, from knowing who you are, even when the world tries to chop pieces off you. Your job isn't to avoid the axe. Your job is to deepen your roots. Because when your roots are strong, the axe always breaks first. You are the oak tree, built from storms, strengthened by seasons, unmoved by noise. Don't fear the axe. Just keep your roots deep, in truth, in purpose, in your beliefs, in discipline, in who you are becoming. The axe may swing, but you remain.